Welcome to Stop for Life, a smoking cessation program. Today we're going to talk about how to quit smoking while pregnant. Upon learning the wonderful news of the anticipated arrival of a newborn baby, Mom will almost immediately experience a major shift in her thinking. She'll redirect her thinking in all matters in terms of what's best for the unborn child. The question of how to quit smoking while pregnant now becomes uppermost in Mom's mind. Pregnancy gives Mom a huge incentive to quit smoking, but it also complicates her choice in methods. Mom must now prevent exposing her baby to the medications that are present in prescriptions, pills, and patches. And cigarettes contain many more harmful chemicals than just nicotine. Stopping smoking is crucial to the successful development and healthy growth of the baby. The good news is that women no longer need to risk smoking while pregnant. Mom can now stop smoking without jeopardizing the health of the newborn baby. Fortunately, Mom now has some safe and sane alternatives. Visit us for a safe, effective, and drug-free method to quit smoking. Visit us at stopforlife.com.